Welcome to Simple Surge. I used to be a slave to my notifications. I was addicted to the scroll, the games, and the endless search for more. But then, I learned how to hijack that same addiction and point it towards studying. If you're ready to turn your study sessions from a chore into a craving, hit that like button, share this with a distracted friend, and comment "Ready" to start your rewire. At Simple Surge, we build the systems that help you master your biology. Let's dive into how you can make your brain literally crave the textbook. The problem isn't that you're lazy. The problem is that your dopamine baseline is broken. To your brain, studying feels like starvation because it's used to a 24/7 buffet of high-speed entertainment. When you compare a notification to a page of organic chemistry, the brain chooses the easy hit every time. We need to tilt that scale back to neutral. Here is phase 1, environment friction. You don't need more willpower, you need more distance. If your phone is in your pocket, you've already lost. Put it in another room. Put it in a drawer. Make it physically annoying to check. On the flip side, remove friction for studying. Have your book open to the exact page you need the night before. Fill your water bottle. Have your pens ready. Make it easier to start than to stop. Inertia is your biggest enemy. Tell your brain you are only going to study for 5 minutes. Just 5. Once those 5 minutes are up, you are allowed to stop. But here's the trick. Once you start, you won't stop. The friction is highest at the beginning. Once you break the seal, the flow state takes over. Your brain realizes that the threat of work was an illusion. Starting is 80% of the battle. Phase 2, reset the baseline. You need a dopamine detox. Stop the morning scroll. If you start your day with high-intensity dopamine, anything productive for the rest of the day will feel like torture. Allow yourself to be bored. When your brain is starving for stimulation, even a textbook starts to look interesting. Use boredom as a vacuum that pulls you into your studies. Phase 3, gamify the grind. Treat every chapter like a level in a game. Use a habit tracker to build a streak. Your brain loves seeing progress bars fill up. Visualizing the wins makes the dopamine real. Don't break the chain. Seeing 10 days of consistent work creates a psychological pressure to keep going. You're not just studying, you're protecting your high score. This is how the addiction builds. Use visual anchors. Wear a specific hat or use a specific desk lamp, only when you are in surge mode. Your brain will eventually associate those physical cues with intense focus. It's an automated trigger. When the light goes on, the phone goes away and the work begins. No questions asked. You are training your brain to enter a Pavlovian state of productivity. Simple surge efficiency. Phase 4, the 90-30 cycle. Humans are designed for rhythmic intensity, not constant moderate effort. Study intensely for 90 minutes. No interruptions, no tabs, just you and the material. Then, take a 30-minute restorative break. Not a scrolling break. Walk, stretch, or listen to music. This allows your brain to back up the data you just learned. The rest is as important as the work. Never study with music that has lyrics. Your language center can't multitask. Use white noise, pink noise, or lo-fi. Keep the path clear for the information to flow directly into your long-term memory. Protect your focus like your life depends on it. One single notification can take you 20 minutes to recover from. In the surge, we are binary. Either we are 100% on or we are 100% off. Phase 5, the reward loop. Pair your hardest task with a small, immediate physical reward. A piece of chocolate, 5 minutes of your favorite song, anything that tells your brain, task complete. Pleasure. You are literally rewiring your neural pathways. Over time, your brain will start to associate the pain of deep work with the pleasure of the reward. That is the secret to study addiction. Stop saying, "I'm trying to study." Say, "I am a high performer." When you shift your identity, you no longer need motivation. You do the work because that is who you are. Outliers don't wait for feelings. Most people are content with being average. They follow their impulses. But at Simple Surge, we master them. We take the extra hours. We own the knowledge. We lead the surge. Don't forget the physical basics. Hydration. Your brain is 75% water. A 2% drop in hydration leads to a 10% drop in cognitive performance. Don't study on empty. Fuel the fluid. Keep a gallon of water at your desk. Drink 16 ounces every 60 minutes. It keeps your neurons firing at peak speed. A hydrated brain is an addicted brain. Surge on. Use the Sunday reset. Spend 30 minutes every Sunday planning your study levels for the week. When you wake up on Monday, the decision-making is already done. You just execute. Planning kills decision fatigue. Every choice you make drains your battery. By planning ahead, you save 100% of your mental energy for the actual learning. Be the architect of your success. Productivity is physical. If your body is stagnant, your mind is stagnant. Short bursts of exercise pump oxygen to your prefrontal cortex. Move your body to unlock your mind. 10 push-ups or a quick walk can reset your focus endurance. Use movement as a weapon against mental fatigue. You are a high-performance machine. Don't let the engine rust. These systems have transformed thousands of lives. Students who were once failing are now dominating. The difference isn't intelligence, it's the addiction to the system. You are next. You aren't alone in this. You're part of a community of seekers, people who want more from life, people who refuse to be average. Together, we build the future. Join us. At Simple Surge, we believe in radical optimization. You have one life. Don't spend it in a distraction loop. Take control, master your biology, and join the surge. If this guide shifted your mindset, hit that like button. Share it with someone who needs a surge. Subscribe to Simple Surge for more illegal ways to dominate your world. We read every single comment. What's the biggest distraction you're killing today? Tell us below, and let's hold each other accountable. Let's build the surge together. This is Simple Surge. Stay sharp, stay focused, and we'll see you, well, in the flow state. Goodbye for now. Don't stop the surge. Master your time, master your life. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Simple Surge. Productivity mastered. Life optimized. We'll see you soon.